One of the best ways to increase traffic to your YouTube videos is to target low competition keywords. These are generally long-tailed keywords that have low competition on Google. As a result, you will have a much better chance of being ranked higher than smaller companies. The key is to update your website regularly. Here are a few tips to make this easier. Find your keywords and phrases in a niche related to your product or service. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss low competition keyword with high traffic for YouTube. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside.
All right, let's go ahead and dive right into this training. Tonight I want to talk about being able to get keywords to rank your YouTube videos. Low competition keywords and can get you a decent amount of traffic. We're going to say high traffic, but you have to be consistent on it, because if your channel hasn't built an authority, you won't get the traffic that you need. So we're going to tell you how to get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and start out with a keyword. You know, I'm a global MPN guy, so we're just going to take you through the process that I go through to get my keywords to rank. So you can take your keywords and go ahead and get ranking. Now, I use vidIQ. I used a basic membership, and I'll have how to join when you get down, when I get to the bottom of the video. I'll have it in the description, okay? So let's just go ahead and put this keyword in. NPN Profit Center. NPN Profit Center is another system that is a part of the global NPN. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if there is any search volume to NPN Profit Center. So look at what it says. It says the competition is extremely low, and it gets around 2,500 volume wise. And this is what people have to understand. Make sure we're tracking on this. When you try to rank your YouTube video on your channel, sometimes your channel don't quite have authority. So when you look at that competition where it says low competition, then you go out and create a video and see if it's going to rank towards that, and it does not rank, well, you haven't had a chance to get enough subscribers and the chance enough to have your channel to become an authority channel. Now, I'm in the learning process, and I just want to share with you as I learn. That's all I'm doing. I am no expert. I'm not claiming to be an expert. I'm just showing you what I'm sharing. I'm just sharing what I know at the time, and I'm showing it to you. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. Once I identify my keyword in vidIQ, I go to another tool right here, and it's called Morning Fame, and I'll have a link to it at the bottom of the description. Now, what I did is I tied Morning Fame into my actual YouTube channel, and it grades it for what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to step 2, and I won't go into a full deal on it, because it's a lot of tutorials that are out there. All right, now you look at this word NPN Profit Center. Now, in Morning Frames training, a keyword that has an X in it, a lot of people don't search for it. That's cool. I understand that. Really, a lot of people don't search for NPN Profit. But while I'm trying to build my channel up to authority, and this is one of the affiliate programs that I promote, I'm going to use it anyway. You don't have to use it. If you look down here at the bottom, this is what they want you to rank. They want you to have 3 Ds and a B, and that's the keyword you can rank for. But I'm still using it. And you look down here, see where I'm ranked, So you can come down here and look, and then we can go over here and you see why I'm ranked. You see where I'm ranked. You see why I'm ranked. All that's in the same family. All that's in the same. See, so what I'm trying to tell you, this is the deal. even though you may not rank, but when you keep on creating videos, so let's just look at this NPN Profit Center. Let's go to the next one. Let's go Global NPN Profit Center. So we'll pick another keyword, different keyword, even though it has an X, show up again from another different keyword. See, show up again from another different keyword. Okay, then we go back. Let's go back to NPN reviews. This is how you do this, guys. Sometimes you just don't settle on one thing. Let's copy it, show up again. That's 3 different keywords. And that's what you have to do. You have to come in, well, let me see this, NPN Business Marketing Tool. I don't know, let me see if I rank here. This is how you do it, guys. Let's go in here, show up again. Let's go back again. I'm just trying to show you how you can do this. NPN Builder. Now, what that says is, it don't have quite enough search volume to know, but we're just gonna put it in there anyway. Let's just copy this, paste it, NPN Builder search. Look at it. That's the right there. There is the perfect. This right here says I should be ranked highly for that keyword. Let's see. I am number 3. Someone here is number 1. That was done 7 years ago. I can still come in and create another NPN and outrank that other video. See, even though I'm number 2, I can still come in and create another NPN builder tutorial and teach people how to go through that, and you can still be ranked. See how you mixing up all these keywords? So I mean, just look at it. Let's just take a look at this one now. I think I create a video on this. We're just taking a chance. This is all we're doing. I'm just showing you how to do this. Let's see if I come up in there. I may have not come up in there. That's a low ranking. That's a low rank. I did not come up in this one. That's cool. No problem. No problem. But I'm just kind of showing you how you do this. And let's go back and see. We want to always see what Global NPN has to offer. Let's just look at that. See, this is how you do that. Like, if you are a Global NPN member, let's go Global NPN Team Builder. I haven't even created any content on that. See, everything is centered around Global NPN. And what you want to do, you want to take all these keywords and you want to dominate. You want to dominate Global NPN. Even though it has an F on views and it says, hey, you can get a decent amount of traffic. Right here, if I was to create a video on NPN Team Builder, I would rank probably number 1. Like I said, it's not a lot of view. It's the multiple keywords that you create on this. That's how you do it. It's multiple keywords you can create on that. So let's just come back and do this. Let's go, let's just do this one. This is a real long tail keyword. Let's just do this one. Let's tie this one in and let's see what it has to say. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to show you how you can rank. You may not take that one keyword and rank for a lot, but you can get a lot of traffic if you use multiple keywords in this right here. Look at here. Guys, do y'all not realize this? There's a bit, here I am there. Look at her. Didn't even realize I rank for that. There I am again. This is how you do. What I did, I took one particular keyword and I found related keywords to it. And ultimately, when you create several videos around that, you end up taking those keywords to high traffic. And without these tools, I wouldn't be able to find it. You don't be able to guess on these tools. So I'm just trying to tell you, this is the best way to go ahead and build channel authority. Keep all your keywords relevant, put them all in one playlist, and then link them together and build channel authority. Guys, that's what you want to do. And do your keyword research, do your tag research, and do a description within that. This is how you do that, guys. This is how you build, find keyword, low competition keyword, and get high traffic to it. You want to kind of keep it in a silo, and you want to build that effectiveness that way. So guys, what I'm doing is, I'm no expert. I am just sharing to you things that I learned. And if I learn some and you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to share it. It's still a part of the work from home project, guys. I just want to broaden some of my teaching, because You do need email marketing. You do need to sell a product. If you want to be your own entrepreneur, you need to do these things. And if you are doing a work from home project, you want to send out a list when new jobs are out. Look, I'm promoting Lead Skimmer. Lead Skimmer is a tool to help you bring leads to your business. So that's what I'm trying to do. But this video is not going to be long. I just want to kind of shoot this in to show you the 2 tools I'm using to actually really grow my YouTube channel. And you will want to do the same thing. You got to have keyword research. You can't go out there being blind. I always want to say this when we get to the end. Hit that like button and let me get a subscription. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.